Are you looking to install an RO system underneath the sink? Well, let me show you how. MIZUDO sent us this reverse osmosis water filter system, and also this system produces instant hot water. So today I'm going to show you how to install it and also how it functions. So first things first, you're going to want to install your the actual faucet for the RO system. What we did is we had a soap dispenser right here. So if you guys have that or you have extra holes, make sure that they are clear and there's nothing in them, obviously, before you install it. First things first, I'm going to put all of these pipes down this hole. Make sure to do one at a time. It's a lot easier. So now what you're going to do is you're going to push this in and then push it down so that it'll open underneath there. And then you should just be able to let this kind of be here while you go underneath and tighten it. So I'm not going to be able to show you everything underneath the sink of what I'm doing, but we're going to do our best and explain it to you as we go. So once you have your faucet installed, what you need to do is you need to come up to the top and tighten this screw nut, because if you don't, your faucet will become very loose. So in order to get this off and on, you'll put this bad boy down like that, and then there's this nut. So you'll unscrew it and screw it down in order to get your tightened. And just like that, we're all tight. What we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole in this pipe so then we can install this piece right here, so then we can put our drain in there. So you just find a good spot. And then, now be sure to be careful, because if you have a sharp bit, it can go straight through the other side. You're going to take your nut and you're going to place it in the back there and then turn it around. And on this front side, you're going to take your bolt and pass it through this guy and then into the back one. And then just give it a couple screws, and then we're going to put this around here. Make sure it's lined up, and then do the same thing on the other side. Get your nut in that back part, and then give your a couple threads, and then take your screwdriver and just start to snug them up. So when you're done with drilling and installing this piece, it should look like this. You should be secure, and you should have a way to install that drain line. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to put it on here, and then put this water line from your faucet on top of here. So I'm going to do that real quick. Right now I'm going to install the bigger white pipe into this guy, and this is your raw water that is going to go into your unit. So now we move to the filter system itself. So before I put this under there, I wanted to show you how this worked with the filters and everything. So the filters sit in the system underneath this front panel. So this front panel just pops off just like that. So we're going to put it in with the handle horizontal to the ground, and then we're just going to turn it until it stops. And just like that, they're installed. So whenever you have to replace these filters, it's easy as pop. You just go in there, pop it out, pop it in. No problem.
Okay.
So now you're going to have three lines. You're going to have a big white line, which is your main water, the blue line, which is the filtered water, and then there's the red line, which is the drained water. So it goes drained, main, and then filtered. So the red one would go first. So when you're done with it, it should look something like this, right? Where it's the red, the white, and then the blue, just like that. So now we're going to take the air line and the hot water line, and we're going to install them on the two top metal brackets right here, or metal rods. The smaller air line goes on the smaller air line, and then the bigger one goes on the hot water. Just like that. So right now we're going to plug in the faucet wire. So it's going to be this gray wire, and you're going to have to find the gray wire in here. And then, so you just plug it in, and then you screw the nut that's on the wire coming down from your faucet onto these threads right here. So now that we have all our water connections done and our wire is plugged in, I'm going to plug in the actual unit, and then I'm going to turn on the water to the unit. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to flush the system. So I'm going to hit this button, and now it is flushing or getting all the everything washed. I want to thank MIZUDO again for sending this to us, for us to install and try out. This is one of the coolest RO systems that I have seen, and I've seen a lot of them. This is going to be super awesome for those people who have newborns or something along those lines, where you need hot water right away in order to mix a formula, or just for if you want some hot chocolate right away, you don't want to wait to heat the water up. But then this water, the hot water and the cold water, is going to be pure water, which will give you the peace of mind that you're drinking hot and cold clean water, and so is your family. I hope you enjoyed the install of this RO system. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching DIY on the House.